Hello student, this is the next topic for this paper 6, that is waste management. Waste management is the waste all the garbage and non-used materials they can use for the waste management. So you can see this is the undesirable output and inputs, that is energy, process, product, air emissions, effluent discharge, solid waste and undesirable output. You can see this waste can be avoided and reduced, then recycled and disposed of. Avoided and reduced is the good housekeeping, change technology, change product, change process, change raw material services instead of products, and good housekeeping. Second one is recycled. It is within the process, inside the company, externally, and disposed of energetically correct, segregations, detoxification, stabilization, and reduction of volume. The waste management is more than simply arranging containers in the company. Legal compliance with relevant waste regulations, setting up company specific waste logistics, information, motivations, continuous controlling. Why do companies optimize their waste management? So there is a waste management is companies legal compliance, risk minimization, disposal security, positive image motivations, implementation of waste minimization measures, then cost reduction, EMS ISO 14001. Methodology waste management is you can check the legal compliance with the applicable waste regulations, corrective actions to determine waste streams according to type of waste, the waste volumes and cost, identify weak points of waste, the logistics, and to determine the minimization and cost reduction potential, define, implement and monitor measures. Setting up in company waste logistics involving employees at the workplace, redesign of waste pollution collection point, information on correct waste segregation, involvement of the cleaning personnel, customize container system, motivation of all persons involved. Important success factors for well functioning waste logistics is that is management employees, cleaning personnel, waste manager, environmental responsible, and motivation information. The legal compliances of this waste management is, when do we talk about waste, which type of waste arise in the company, which relevant, how do I fulfill these obligations, and which corrective actions are necessary. Example of waste relevant duties is appoint waste manager, documentation on hazardous waste, notification, special documentation on disposal, allocation of various duties of waste segregation. Companies optimize their waste management, transparency of waste volumes and cost of the waste streams, targeted minimization and recycling measures, correct waste segregation, reduction of residual waste, then waste management as a part of environmental management, positive company image, motivation of employees, etc. Contribution of the disposal company is information material on waste separation, labeling, color system for containers and waste collection points, information on adapted container system, waste collection intervals according to specific company needs, and data on the weight of collected waste support in estimating waste quantities. We can see analyzing potential of waste reduction, central waste collection point, container for residual waste, waste segregation in the company. Waste logistic is stage, workshop, delivery, office, procurement, kitchen, archive, paper, cardboard, metal residues, waste, packaging, glass, wood, organic waste, cable stage, hazardous waste, and central point waste. Definition of measures is optimize waste logistic container, new waste collection point, color system labeling, improve waste segregation, example metals, reduction of disposal cost, use returnable and large containers, reuse certain materials, internal recycling, that is recycling of solvents, use returnables, cleaning racks, rental system, use reusable packagings.